Hello, friends. Today we're going on a delicious adventure into the kitchen. We're going to make a super tasty and healthy snack together. Get ready to learn about fun ingredients, cool cooking techniques, and the magic of creating something yummy. Let's grab our aprons and get started. First, let's meet our star ingredients. Look at this shiny red apple, so sweet and juicy. And what about this crunchy carrot? They're both full of goodness that helps us grow strong and healthy. But wait, we also need a little helper, creamy yogurt. It's smooth and delicious, and it will bring everything together. Now, our first step is to wash our hands. Can you sing this song with me while we scrub? Wash, wash, wash your hands, scrub them nice and clean. Wash away the germs so our food can gleam. Great job. Now that we're ready, let's prepare our ingredients. First, we'll slice the apple into thin, smile-shaped pieces. Remember, always have an adult nearby to help with cutting. Next, let's grate the carrot into tiny, fluffy shreds. Watch how it turns into a little pile of orange snow. So fun! Here comes the exciting part. Let's make our snack. We'll start by layering the apple slices on a plate like a circle. Can you think of something round and fun that this looks like? Maybe a pizza base? Yum! Now, take a spoonful of yogurt and spread it on top. This is like our special sauce. Smooth it out nice and even. Finally, sprinkle the grated carrot all over, like colorful confetti. It's starting to look amazing. But wait, we need one more thing. Let's add a little pinch of cinnamon to make it smell like magic. Our snack is ready. But before we taste it, let's play a quick game. Can you guess what each ingredient does for our bodies? The apple gives us energy to play and run. The carrot is like a superhero for our eyes, helping us see better. And the yogurt is full of calcium, which makes our bones super strong. Isn't it cool how food can help us in so many ways? Now it's time for a taste test. Take a bite of your healthy snack and see how all the flavors come together. Crunchy, creamy, and sweet, delicious. Cooking can be so much fun, especially when you use healthy ingredients. Remember, you can always get creative in the kitchen and make your own yummy masterpieces. Thank you for joining me on this tasty adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep cooking, and keep having fun with healthy foods. See you soon, chefs.